So today's video, I'm going to report to you all about nursing informatics in China by yours truly, Rika Optana from BSN 2i. Objectives for today is first, discuss the history of nursing informatics in China. Second is how the nursing informatics in China developed. And third, what are the professional societies related to medical information in China. And lastly, nursing informatics related to nursing education and practice. So, let's start. How does nursing informatics in China began? During year 1991, Nursing Informatics Special Interest Group with 20 hospital nurses was founded as a branch of CMIA. A year later, an expert group for nursing information technology was founded by the Nursing Department of the Chinese Ministry of Health, or also known as CMIA. Its mission being to establish criteria for nursing management and the training for nurse administrators for nursing information management. And during 1999, distance learning is also being used for the nursing continuing education in China. The first distance learning program in China is the collaboration between the China and the Canada, run by the School of Nursing. According to the 5th National Census reported by the National Bureau of Statistics, the population of China was almost 1.3 billion in the year 2000. The majority of the population is found in rural areas, and thus the overall healthcare level, stability of the society, the economic development of the whole China is influenced by the healthcare services in rural areas. The primary healthcare systems in rural China typically involve cooperation at country, town, and villages levels. These systems include providing medical services and training of healthcare staff, hygiene education, and the development of the patriotic health campaign. During the time of epidemic in China, leads to reconsiderations of current healthcare systems in rural areas. Some Chinese consider that the system is not moving forward and that more effort should be devoted to epidemic prevention, and that a new system, cooperative medical care, and new salvation of system of the poor should be set up to ensure health in rural areas and enhance stability of society and economic development of the country. And also, it leads to the suggestions of integrated system for the disease control and prevention during the year of 2004. Initiation of the National 95 Plan has improved dramatically in China. This plan includes implementation of the National Medical Information Network, advances in constructing hospitals, information system, as well as the advances in community healthcare, health supervision, disease control, and maternal and child healthcare, telemedicine, and distance medical education. There are two professional societies related to medical information in China. First, the Chinese Society of the Medical Information under the Qin Medical Association. Second is the Chinese Hospital Information Management Association under the Chinese Hospital Association. While the CHIMA has sponsored many hospital-based activities, including workshops on technical and workforce IT, priorities related to proposed reforms of China's healthcare system. Nursing informatics education was first introduced in 1983, and by the year 2000, there were 120 schools with 3-year diploma programs, 62 schools offering a baccalaureate, and 11 schools with master's programs. According to a literature review, computer-assisted instruction began at the nursing institutes in China during the mid-1990s. Since then, it has been used in baccalaureate and continuing education courses in the clinical nursing field. The use of nursing informatics in clinical practice in China includes nursing quality management, staff management, nursing information management, and training clinical skills for staff nurses. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from me. Thank you and goodbye!